Oh hi, hello guys, welcome to Everyday Life with Cecilia.
What are we doing today, Cecilia?
Actually, we're heading to go to Lundberg and then go to...
She has no idea where we're going. So we're heading up to the Crowsnest Pass again today. We're doing another road trip. We're going to go into the neighboring province of British Columbia. Very windy today, so we won't be doing a lot of video outside with talking. I just wanted to show you that it is starting to clear up, but there's quite a bit of smoke. Quite a bit of smoke in the air from the BC fires. And probably the closer we get to BC, the more smoke we'll see. So we're up here at the Frank Slide Interpretive Centre. We're not going to go in, but we're up here because this is an excellent vantage point of the slide itself. So there you can see that's Turtle Mountain, and that's the area where the slide came down. This looks like one of the larger rocks in this particular area. That's easily the size of a Volkswagen Beetle, or maybe even a smaller minivan. Massive. Are you ready to go? Yep.
Bigger than the yeah. Touch me that though. Touch me that. It's beautiful.
Inside rim is about the size of this.
The biggest truck in the world at one time.
At least once a year we'll say, let's take a drive to the big green truck. And it's not about the truck, it's about the drive through the Crowsnest Pass, which is just so beautiful. It's just about the right length for a day trip. Straight drive, it's about 2 hours from Lethbridge. And so we take our time and we stop and we look at things, and we'll have lunch often here at Sparwood, and yeah, it's just so beautiful. Hi, sweetie. Where are you?
Good.
We're here at Beauvais Lake Provincial Park. And it's a nice little lake in the middle of nowhere. I'm going to go for a little walk onto the water there.